The capital markets internship was insightful.
Innovative.
Dynamic.
Exceptional.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. I want to become an expert in equity research.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. I want to become an expert in the field of wealth management.
Hi, I'm Netum. I want to become a successful investment banker.
Hi, I'm Manusha. I want to be a portfolio manager. I joined Securities capital market internship because it provides rotation across different verticals, so I could find where my passion lies at the end of the program. One of the most important technical aspects of the capital market is valuation modeling. So I thought it's same across all the cross functions, but after going through this cross functional training, that I learned that valuation are used for different purposes. So I think learning that technical skill is really important to going forward in this industry.
So I think it's really helpful us to get the industry overview and how to do a valuation from like a sector to sector. With the exposure, now I'm fully confident that I'm capable of doing a financial model from the scratch.
We were able to learn about how to do a proper presentation. Universities, the presentations that we did were different, but now when it comes to a professional setting, helped us to develop our soft skills.
So with the help of this internship, I was able to gain insights on what sort of qualifications I need to follow.
All the seniors that we were working are very knowledgeable, and we got to work with them very closely. Like, they were always very supportive and very patient with us.
They showed great adaptability to the workplace as well as a very strong attitude towards learning. They were able to quickly step up and contribute to the different teams at Asia Securities.
While working here, I noticed that there is a high level of female representation across all levels. For someone like me who's just starting off their career in financial markets, it was very encouraging and inspiring to see.